As you asked me make a video about my most complicated project, I want to show you my restaurant page project that I make for in my course uh, for developing Webpack bundling skills and learning modules JS system. And you can see here buttons and dynamically generated content over here. And if we press the buttons, we generate another page over here below. And I use Stack for this JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and then I bundled it uh, for optimization and another reason. Okay, let's go to code. In my code, we have this folder structure, have source folder, and on it, in it, we have images where image stored, modules where JS files stores, script.js is main file for main script where all these modules merge together, and then we have style CSS for styling our page and template HTML for our structure. In template HTML, we have basic boilerplate, have title, restaurant page, and this cause this text and links for phones, and in body tag we have header, and in header we have navigation bar where we have three buttons. This generates this layout, and let's see on our modules how it works. Okay, let's go to home page. It generates by default. Uh, we can see here I import our homepage image, path, and root. Root is I created it in variables. It's just where I paste all stuff in template HTML. It's over here. Uh, it's root, and I gonna grab all stuff and paste it here, just using JavaScript dynamically generates all stuff. Let's go home page. Home page is actually generating image, just specify our path by adding two source homepage image. It's path for it, and also adding uh, hero image class here for styling. By this method also I create h1 for heading and also add text to it by adding this property text content. Welcome to Mana Garden. Okay, the description div, it's a container for description. I added class list, add class description for styling it, and also add content through inner HTML property. Just a few paragraphs here for content, and also I appended through append child property or method to root container, and we can see here we dynamically generate this heading, this image, and this text. And let's see on menu. Menu is also how all passes of images here, all passes of images imported on separated variables. It had, has done for then it can change paths by bundling into dist folder. And function, we create functions that generates our structure. Simple structure, just adding content, uh, just create div where content pasted, and generated this content through a method inner HTML, or and we can see here heading that specifies type of food and few cards of food. This have grid layout on the page, and have images on all cards, and dynamic path here through JavaScript template literals, and also so on. The same idea here, just heading, container for all cards, and cards uh, cards he, he, themselves, and then we append this to root. Then let's see on about page the same idea, path for image in this page, and we just create about image, uh, paste our path for this image, and adding a class for this image for styling it. And also we have some heading and description div, the same idea as on these modules like homepage and menu page, and dynamically generate HTML code this here on JavaScript, like information like address, contact information, hours hours of operation, and some advertising, social media context, and appending it to root container. And also we gonna merge into one file and make it work just separately. for no three at one time simultaneously on a page, but all separate. And when we click menu, we have menu. When we click about, we have about, and we click home, we have home and home by default. I implement this by a load function. I import all my functions that generates code for our pages, like home page, menu, and about page, and load homepage by default, and inner HTML just empty it for and also load homepage by default. And let's see, uh, we grab here home btn, menu btn, and about btn. It's our buttons. Then we gonna add active styles to it, and also uh, adding some adding event listeners. Uh, as we can see here, I create array of these buttons and create functions that remove class active from all of it, all of those. From all of those, remove class active. Just remove class active button just for each for iterating through all of our project, and remove class active btn that causes that styling is different from this those. It's active, it's no active, those not active, and we have here now buttons, that navigation bar. We grab navigation our navigation bar and add event listener to it, and just for optimization purpose, we adding event listener to container, and then we find out what buttons is clicked and invoke some function. And target, we have this target is what is actually clicked, and we have ID, switch statement that check ID of clicked element. When it's home btn, it empty our stuff below the menu and load home page, just load home page content, and remove class active of all button, and add class active to our two buttons that clicked. In this case, home btn. When the same idea below, when it clicked menu button, it add class active to menu button, and that functionality we just can implement this functionality. And so um, in script.js we just import our styles, just grid layout and some font styles, and load function, and we import our load function where all functionality is stored, and just invoked it over here. By default is uh, home page is loaded. Then what we can see, then I bundled it through Webpack. I just do Webpack configuration here for Uh, for production, it changed to production mode, and we have entry point where is we and what output we can waiting for the development tool for development mode is evil source map, and for production is source map. Static.dist is dev server is only for development. Plugins it's only for it's HTML Webpack plugin we have download, and it's grab template HTML and bundled load it to our dist folder. We have here optimized code and minified version of code for production. You can see this only one line, and here only one. Here we have the old version of JavaScript for better for browser, and all browsers can understand this. And main.js map is just configuration for these files, and dynamically generates styles for it. Also, we have I have deployed it into GitHub page just using the deploy command that I can show here in package.json. I have this deploy command like git add dist. Just in I change the branch to GitHub page and add dist folder for waiting mode and commit it, and this subtree I deploy to GitHub page, and as you can see it aligned by this address over here, and in action it's just here. Okay, it's all that I wanted to show. I hope these skills can I can develop these skills from more experienced developers, and waiting for your feedback. Thank you for watching.